Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade.
A game where you have a character which is going left and right very fast, and then you try to shoot it to the basketball bucket. And then, so I added a timer. So here's the code. On start, so set background image to a basketball court. So I drew it myself.
There's a little pixel of dot right there.
So set my sprite to sprite a person of kind player. So your player is just a random kid.
A kid who wants to play basketball.
Yeah. And set my sprite position to x78, y97. So that's near half court. So it won't be that close to the basket.
And it'll be too easy.
Yeah. So then set my sprite velocity to vx150 and vy0. So it'll go left to right. Keep going. And then set my sprite bouncer while on, so you don't want your sprite to disappear out of the screen.
And then you're never come back.
Yeah. And set my sprite 2 to sprite a yellow square of kind hoop. So this is basically the basketball hoop. And I set my sprite 2 position to x80 and y99, which is where the hoop is supposed to be. And then on down button pressed, set projectile to projectile basketball from my sprite with vx0 and vy negative 100. So when you press the down arrow key on your keyboard, you will shoot the basketball. And then on sprite of kind projectile overlaps other sprite of kind hoop. So when your ball hits the hoop, will play some buzzer, so it's like a buzzer beater, and then game over, and then you win the game. And then forever change time by 1, so time is the variable I made, so basically the timer. Then pause every second to add one more onto the variable. And then forever, if time equals 15, then play some buzzer, then game over, lose.
So you have a 15-second
limit to get a bucket before you lose. Okay. So now, let's play. I'm gonna go first.
Full screen, full screen.
Okay. You win. Do you think it's too easy?
First start.
Where do you go?
Okay, I'm gonna see what happens if I run.
15 seconds is 15 seconds.
Aww. Oh, it's like everything melts.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just make it faster. So this is pixels per second. So let's make it 200.
Oh, it's gonna be hot.
Okay,
oh my. Oh.
Your turn.
Okay, this is hard.
Almost. What was that?
Okay, I think spamming. I'm gonna try it from spamming. Yeah. You need to keep pressing. Why do I'm always
this is mine.
missing. I can't do that many clicks at one time.
Okay, I'm gonna make it even faster. Let's try 300.
Okay. I go fast.
Fine. Super fast. Almost. No.
Oh, finally.
Okay.
Your turn. I want you to make it 2,000. No, I mean 1,000. 1,000. How about that?
One time for each of us.
Okay. 1,000. Oh, I go first.
You'll probably lose. See? That's cheating. Spamming is cheating. Now don't spam.
Fine.
Don't spam. Go.
Oh, this is so hard.
You're running out of time.
50 seconds is long.
No. You're not even close.
I need to spam. How about you try not to spam? I'm gonna tell you it's super hard. You are spamming.
See?
You are spamming.
I made it. No.
Yeah. Go. Ah! You keep missing. You keep doing it in the corners.
I made it.
Okay.
One time.
Is there a 2,000?
Obviously, that's way too fast. You try it.
Fine.
Is there a 2,000?
10,000.
No.
Fine.
Go. Miss. Okay, my turn. That's spamming.
Please do 2,000. 10,000 or 100,000.
No,
Check.
10,000.
Fine, 10,000. I like to make it super spammy.
Okay. Wait, he's doing it one more time.
Okay.
And that's... Go.
It glitched.
It's way too fast. And it's way too fast. Oof. You miss. You got it. You win.
Don't do
My
it.
turn. Oh, first shot. First shot. This is the first shot. Do you see?
Yeah.
First shot try.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.